Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining today. Today is another beautiful day. Today I have a big announcement. The announcement is we're starting a new channel. This channel is just to focus on lifestyle. So the channel I'm going to launch or will be launching is for me and my partner. So we're going to do some renovation projects and we're going to document everything. So I just want you to take you guys through this journey, and if there's anything that you like about the channel, please do let me know. It's very, very important that you share your thoughts about this new channel. I will give you the details in the description below, and if you want to start following or if you want to start subscribing to the channel, please do, because the new video is going to be very, very soon, and I'll keep you guys updated when the video is posted. Right, so let's continue. Let me just show you a little bit about this Portishead, how the Portishead look like today. The weather today is not bad. It's a little bit sunny, but I'm just going to the grocery shop now, so I just thought, I share this news with you guys. Yeah. And another update is GoPro is releasing GoPro 10. I don't know how good the 10 will be, but they say the processing is pretty amazing, so I'm looking forward to test it. I don't know if I'm going to buy it yet, but you never know, because I'm an action cam vlogger, so it'll be good for my vlogs. And another thing today is this new channel is just a DIY, a lot of painting, a lot of housework, and a lot of live stream. So I can't wait to just share this channel with you guys. This is just an update from me, and also show you guys a new restaurant opening in Portishead soon. I will show you guys shortly. If I remember, some of you guys asked I should involve my partner and my wife into the vlog. So I just thought, since we started this new channel, it would be a good idea to share the news with you guys, because you guys are like a family. And we were struggling with the name, but we came with the name. I'll give you guys the name. If you want to start subscribing to the channel, feel free. So the channel is just about lifestyle, travels, food, DIY. It's just about lifestyle completely. Yeah, so it's just going to be fun. It's going to be a lot of editing, including me and my wife. So yeah, so some of the editing will come from her because she's very, very good. Yeah, so I'm looking forward for this adventure, right? And I want to share this adventure with you guys. Another update I have is I'm thinking of having a professional camera. I know I've been saving a lot, so I just thought it's the right time to get a professional camera, because if you guys remember, I told you guys I'll be doing a lot of I'll be taking some time off to focus on the personal stuff. So instead of trying to focus on vlogging on the street, I thought I'd create more detailed content internally, like indoor. So for me to get a good camera or good lighting for indoor vlogging or indoor content, I need a camera that can probably give you the amazing quality you always desire. So I thought I'll go for this camera, and I'll probably show you guys the camera. I will learn a lot from the camera. The camera will give me will open more ideas and more doors into content creation. So I'm looking forward. So this today is just an update about vlogging, update about content creation. And also there's an iPhone 13. I'm thinking whether I should get it or not, because for live streaming I need high quality processor and high quality camera to do live stream. So that's an update so far. And also, if you're getting the iPhone 13 or if you're getting the GoPro 10, please do let me know in the comment section, so that you can share your ideas. What's the experience like when you ordered? Was it stressful? What's the experience like? Are you looking forward to shoot with your GoPro 10? Please do let me know. If you're a vlogger, if you're a walker, if you're a content creator, please do let me know in the comment section. Today is just an update about the new channel, update about the new camera, update about my content creation. So today is just an update.
I'm just going to be honest and say, excuse me, do you want a paddle?
And this is the new restaurant opening in Portishead at the moment. The restaurant is going to be called The Grace. So what they're planning to do is charcuterie with a bottle of wine, or charcuterie with a fine wine, charcuterie with a prosecco, charcuterie with champagne. So it's basically, you know, nibble food, you know, amazing nibbly food. Yeah. And also just in front of the restaurant, there's this electric car charging point. So if you import Portishead for the day and you have an electric car, you can charge your car here while you're having some nice time at the marina. This is just an update, you know, how Portishead look like today, and about the new camera, the new iPhone, the new GoPro. This is just an update. This is just an update. Right, I hope you guys are doing amazing today. Please do me a little favor though, please do subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber, and if you're a viewer, please do turn the notification button on so that anytime we post a video like this, you'll be the first one to be notified. And you know, I'm just going to continue giving you a lot of updates about lifestyle, about the new camera, about the GoPro, about the new restaurant opening in Portishead. So let's continue.